All right, here I'm going to show you how to do a whisker plot using Excel. Okay, so here's the data that is given: 0, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. This could be the number of scores on a soccer game. So one game, they score 0. The second game, they score 2 goals. The third game, 3 goals. The fourth game, 4 goals again. The fifth game, 4 goals. The sixth game, 5 goals. 7, 5 goals. And the eighth game, 6. Okay, that's and data that could be represented here. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin right here. So the first thing you need to do is you just put right here a title on B3. I can just put data set. All right, so just type data set. I'll do it from scratch, okay? So you just go right here. You have your data. Here you can just put data set here. And then here you can put, so remember that you need your minimum and maximum. So you start with the minimum. And then you need your quartile one, so Q1. The median, don't need to find it because it's going to be given once you do it. So you need Q3, which is quartile 3. And of course, you need the maximum. Okay, you can center all this data by highlighting it and then going to this one, horizontal alignment, and just go to center. All right, I'm going to make this a little bigger so you guys can see it. And I'm going to make the font a little bigger. So I'm just going to highlight everything. And I'm going to make the font 12. All right, please catch up. All right, so to find the minimum is going to be just the lowest value, right? So the lowest value. Okay. So the minimum here is 0, so I'm just going to put 0. The maximum will be right here, the highest value. You can highlight and match it if you want. So yellow. And then max, you can do orange if you want. And do this little brush here, pane format, carry the format there. There, I'm just gonna change it. Okay, I'm going to put this in the middle also. All right, now I need quartile 1 and quartile 3. So quartile 3 and quartile 1 is basically gonna be the first half, the median of the first half, and this is the median of the second half. Maybe I can just put that here. So that's median of the first half. Right, and this here will be the median of the second half. You're probably thinking, why does it look like that, Mr. Vasquez? That's easy to fix, you guys. You just go right click, or actually you can just go right here, go to format, and then you go to text wrapping, and then you put wrap. Boom. And you want to carry this format, just go here, format painting, boom. You want to center this, go here, boom. Go here, boom. There we go. I think this one's already centered. Boom. There. Okay. Maybe let's go ahead and do grids or borders all around. So go here. So go to this little button here for borders, and just go right here, all borders. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so now we need the quartile 1. So to find quartile 1, like I said, it's just the median of the first half. So let's find, so we have 8 characters here, or data set 8. So half of that will be 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. To find the median of this one here, then I'm gonna have to find the middle between 0, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. To find the middle between that, it's gonna be the middle between these two right here. Well, to find the middle between 2 and 3 is, well, I know there's 2.5. Okay, so if you want a formula, you can use one. You can just go here, and just go to, well, I know the answer is 2.5, right? But if you want to find the formula, let's say you're having trouble how to find this, you can just do equals. You can just do A2 plus A3, right? And you get 5. Now, that here needs to be divided by 2 because you want to find the average. So, divided by 2. And there's your 2.5. Ha ha ha. Pretty cool, huh? All right, here, you can do the same thing here. So you're going to have to find the average, the median of the second half. So I know I have 8, so I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So to find the middle, it's going to have to be the middle between right here, right? So between these two right here. But the middle between 5 and 5 is just 5, okay? So I know that this one here will be 5. Okay. So to find this is my Q1, this is my Q3. So you have the minimum, the maximum, and the quartile 1 and quartile 3. To find the inner quartile, is going to be equals to Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 minus Q1. Okay, Q3 minus Q1, that's how you find it. That's the formula. So I'm going to put it right here. 5. So I'm just going to put a formula. You can just double click equals 5 minus 2.5. My answer will be 2.5. So my inner quartile here will be 2.5. What else? So that's the maximum, the lowest. Now we're going to have to create a whisker plot. So I'm excited, you guys. I'm almost done here. So now to do that, all you have to do is highlight this right here. Only these 2 rows here, row 2 and row 3. And you're going to have to go to Insert, Chart. And this is going to come up first. This is a histogram or a column chart. We will learn that in the next class, you guys. This is a pie chart if you want to do one. But we're not doing a pie chart. We're going to do a whisker plot. So the whisker plot is actually right here. See that? So I'm going to do it again. So in chart type, I scroll down, and on the bottom right it says candlestick chart. Okay, you click that, and here's your whisker plots. You can grab it from here, make it a little smaller. But here's the data set. The data set is pretty cool because here will give you the median. The median here will be, well, let me give you the quartiles. Okay, so here will be your quartile 1. And here's your quartile 3. So quartile 3 is right here, halfway between 4 and 5, which is 4 and 6, which is 5. And here is about 3 is right here, so this will be 2.5. The minimum will be right here, so this will be your minimum. And this here will be your maximum. Okay, that's your maximum. So like those are the 2 endpoints of the whisker plots. So it's your maximum, your minimum, Q1 and Q3, and of course the middle between Q3 and Q1 will be the median, which is somewhere around here. Okay, so like 3.75. Okay, but that's the data, and this is the whisker plots. If you want to be fancy, you can just label this whisker plots instead of data set. Okay, let's see. You can label this whisker plots if you want. And there it is. Cool, right? All right, that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching.